guys don't know what is tuxler, then you can Google it. I'm going to Google it. What is tuxler? Okay, so tuxler is a fast community powered residential VPN ever created. Okay, so if you guys don't know what is residential VPN, then you can also Google it. What is residential VPN? Okay, then you see that a residential VPN is a type of virtual network that rotates web requests through residential IP address. Okay, and this is the safest. Okay, that means whenever you will change your IP, it will rotate your IP address in the same state of that country. Okay, so I'm gonna install it. Now you have to there is a Chrome extension of it. You have to Google tuxler for Chrome. Tuxler for Chrome. Now this is the page from where you have to install it. I have already installed it, so this is showing me that remove from Chrome. For you guys, I'm gonna remove it and install it to show you how to install it. Okay, so I'm gonna click add to Chrome and add extension. Now and it will download and install automatically. So now this is done. The installation process is done. Now this extension is saying that I have to install tuxler app. So I'm gonna also download that. So downloading, it's downloading the exe file. Now just I have to accept the agreement and next, and it's done. Okay, so I think I can use it now. Let me restart the browser. So it's available. Now this is disconnected. I'm gonna connect it, and so you can select your country from here. So if you select United State, then you can even choose the city. Okay, so if you want to choose the city separately, then you have to upgrade it to premium. So we are not gonna do that. So this is how you can install it and use it. Okay, and if you click to reload to nearby location, then your IP address will be changed. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some sample. Let's Google what is my IP address. What is my IP address? Okay, now this is my IP address. Okay, so I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it to nearby by clicking the reload to nearby location, and see this is changed. Okay, this is changed. So I'm gonna reload this page and it will show me a different result. So this is how tuxler work. You can even change the countries. Sample for example, this is Australia. Now I'm gonna reload this page where I am. Now this changed the IP address. Okay. So this is how it's work. If you search for this IP address, then let's see which location is it. Let's see this one. Range 13. This one to America. This I get this for America. Okay, not America. So I have to disconnect it and connect it again to Australia. Okay, and it is showing me my current location is United States. I want to change it to Canada. So this is my first IP address, and my now I'm gonna Google it. What is my IP address, and it will show something. So it takes. So this is how it changes IP address and save and give you save. Okay. Okay, and uh, so this is for now. And if you want to install this VPN, then you can check the description link. I'm gonna leave a link there. Okay, so bye for now. Thank you for watching.